long lost brother and best friend.
He's the same on the set as when we were making a $800,000 movie. He is today on a picture with IMAX as his oysters.
Hi, Radar.
To be the center of attention.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, southeastern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, southern Upshur County in northeastern West Virginia, central Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Camden on Gauley, or 10 miles southwest of Webster Springs, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alexander, Cass Scenic Railroad, Arbovale, Cheat Bridge, Richwood, Huttonsville, Eden, Glady, Minnehaha Springs, Upper Glade, Helvetia, Pickens, Winetta, Beverly, Boyer, Buckeye, Marlinton, Snowshoe, Canahead, and Burgoo.
And he puts the film on, and we're sitting there. And I didn't think I made it through the opening credits. And I passed out.